New York Gov. Andrew Cuomo said Wednesday he is so passionate about keeping abortion legal in the United States that he would sue if the Supreme Court were to overturn Roe v. Wade. During a speech in Poughkeepsie, New York to promote a pro-choice agenda, Cuomo echoed other Democrats' assertions that the Supreme Court could reverse the landmark 1973 decision that legalized abortion nationwide. "We now need to codify Roe v. Wade, which will actually increase the protections in New York. God forbid they do what they intend to do, which is overturn Roe v. Wade," Cuomo said. "I want to get it done before the Supreme Court does that because I don't want any gap in a woman's right to protection, and we have a better legal case when the Supreme Court acts. Because I will sue when the Supreme Court acts. And I want the New York state law in place." Cuomo argued for state legislators to enact a law that legalizes abortion just as Roe v. Wade did. "Now we know we're not guaranteed of having Roe v. Wade, and the New York law, my friends, does not currently go as far as Roe v. Wade," he said. "Roe v. Wade has the protections that we now rely on in New York." In the wake of President Donald Trump's nomination of Judge Brett Kavanaugh's Supreme Court seat earlier this week, Democrats have tried to rally their base by claiming Kavanaugh could be a deciding vote in a move to reverse Roe v. Wade. Party leaders have insisted they will not support Kavanaugh's nomination because of that. Cuomo was not clear how he would proceed with a lawsuit against the Supreme Court, the highest judicial body in the U.S. It's also worth noting that all judges, including those who serve on the Supreme Court, have judicial immunity and cannot be sued for legal decisions they make. Related stories: NYT, DOJ's Rosenstein solicits aid on Kavanaugh confirmation. Trump to Dems, win elections if you want to shape SCOT U.S. politics. New York Gov. Andrew Cuomo said Wednesday he is so passionate about keeping abortion legal in the United States that he would sue if the Supreme Court were to overturn Roe v. Andrew Cuomo, sue, Supreme Court, if Roe v. Wade, overturned. 339 Wednesday, the 11th of July 2018, 8:05 p.m. The 11th of May 2018 Wednesday, the 11th of July 2018, 8:05 p.m. Newsmax Inc. Newsmax Inc. Newsmax Inc.